You've heard of Salesforce's incredible capabilities, but to harness them, you need buy-in from your team. And right now, well, half of them can't even remember their passwords. You need a user adoption plan and training. Where do you start? Well, hiring a full-time IT employee is a big commitment and expense, and maybe a little overkill. Check out Central App's virtual admin program, where one of our onshore experts can supercharge your CRM without busting your budget. Central App will match you with a Salesforce certified admin as your single point of contact. Like a team member, they get to know your system and company. After discussing your goals, your expert helps with configuration, data hygiene, reporting, integrations, and automation. Collaborate during monthly check-ins and as needed while they're on call. No time zone confusion. With us, you'll only pay for hours you need while managing Salesforce like a boss. Get the most of your investment with a virtual admin. Contact Central App today.